This is the story. It all started more than years ago.
Hi, girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try.
Painful ng high
Get
school,
your
pero
name
third
and
year
your
na,
number. Go
nagkakilala.
grab some lunch and
From
eat some
classmates,
cucumbers.
we became good
Why
friends.
did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling
Hanggang
and
sa
it's something I
hindi namin
like on your
namamalayan.
face.
Parang
Yeah,
picture,
it suits you.
unti-unti na palang
Girl, we
nade-develop ang
connect
isa.
like we have Bluetooth. I don't know
Natin
why I'm
katutukan.
drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance.
Nauwi na
You
nga
would rather
sa
add than
totohanan.
subtract. You and I could be like Sonny and Cher, honey and bear, though. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like
Kumita
la
sa
la
mga
la
araw,
la la la
linggo,
la 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 la
buwan.
la la la
At umabot na nga sa unang taon.
la 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 la.
At di lang din nagtapos dahil nasundan pa ng pangalawa,
Have you been? I know that it's been a while.
pangatlo,
Are you tired? Cause you've been on my mind, running thousands and thousands
Apat.
of miles. Sorry, I know that line's out of style, but you look so beautiful on this
pero
starry
tulad din ng iba,
night. Loving the way the moonlight
bago kami tumagal ng ganito, dumaan din kami sa mga
I'm
obstacles.
captivated.
Maraming
Your
problema.
beauty is
Ngayon kami yung
never
muntik na mawala yung trust,
I don't
selos,
know why I'm drawn to
misunderstanding,
you. Could you be the
arguing.
other one so
Yung tipong halos araw-araw, away-bati na lang. Di na magkasundo. Minsan nga, naiisip namin, sumuko na lang kaya kami. Kasi parang di naman natatapos. Di na katulad nung dati, saglit lang ayos na. Kasi ultimo maliit na bagay, lumalaki. Yung tipong, di niya na nga alam minsan, saan ba nagsimula yung away? Bakit ba kasi nag-aaway? Pero habang dumadaan ang mga pagsubok na to, mas naiisip namin na di naman talaga pagtakas ang solusyon sa mga problema. Dahil kung talagang mahal mo siya, kahit gaano pa kabigat, kahirap, katinding problema ang dumating sa inyong dalawa, hindi mo siya iiwan. At patuloy ninyong haharapin na magkasama ang mga problemang darating pa sa inyong relasyon. Sabi nga niya, kung mahal mo, walang pero-pero, walang ano-ano. Kung mahal mo, ipaglaban mo. Nakakatuwa lang isipin na dati, di naman talaga namin inaasahan na magtatagal kami ng ganito. Kasi gusto yung iba, ganun din yung sinasabi. Kasi parang too young pa to handle a relationship.
You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to linger in your eyes. Cooler than the flip side of my pillow. That's right. Completely unaware. Nothing can compare to where you sent me. Let me know that it's okay. Yeah, it's okay in the moments when my good times start to fade. You make me smile like the sun, fall out of bed, sing like a bird, dizzy in my head, spin like a record.
Kung dati, di namin inaasahan na magtatagal kami ng ganito, ngayon, We wanna grow old together.